Hello, happy Sunday. Thought I'd do a little video of my boss cleaning. I have a VG1 installed with, it's the all direction one with dual row of brushes instead of a bigger bar row, as opposed to the stock. And I always get confused if this is the distribulator or distribulator. I think it's the distribulator, but this is the stock one, but I've upgraded. So, anywho, here goes. I have it on a height setting of 2. This carpet's kind of weird. It's okay. It's very lightweight. It does a good job. It grooms good. Fun-wise, it's okay. And so I was cleaning before this video, and then I switched over to something else. It's a little loud. So this looks like a Dirt Devil Impulse, only the Impulse was green. It's a Dirt Devil Light. It's blue. It would take a Dirt Devil D-bag, but thanks to another collector, a Eureka super light bag fits very well. I have a little bit of cleanup to do from when I ran it with the Dirt Devil D, but it's automatic carpet height adjustment. Does pretty good with tools. A little awkward to get this bag door back on because the Eureka F bag wasn't made for this, but it fits. Most other bags, like all the Hoover ones I tried, were too not the right diameter for the intake. Now we're in. I'll show you tools. It's not bad with tools. I don't think I did a video of this for you guys yet. If I did, oh well. Yeah, I know, it's loud, but for today I was actually enjoying it, using it more than I was the Eureka. Okay. Anyway, have a great Sunday. I'll see ya.